Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Like every week, my goal has been to bring you some tools that will allow you to automate certain parts of your day-to-day operations, parts of your business, and saving time, saving money, and just making your life overall just a little bit easier. I've kind of been doing this for the last 16 years. We have dozens and dozens of tools that have helped over 7,400 customers, and they've automated a lot of your process out there. And I get these emails from you every week telling us how your tools has helped your business, anywhere from small to large businesses, and how saved you time and been able to remove human error from a lot of the processes that you do day to day. And to keep those emails coming, I really appreciate them. Those are the fuel that allow us to build more tools and make more videos and spread the word more out there. And again, in addition to these emails, we've got over 115 excellent Google reviews there. There's actually one bad review there. I dare you to go and check that one out there. There is a gentleman that I believed that I built something for him, and a year later he believed that he needed the money back, and that's kind of the story of that bad review. But except for that one, all the other reviews, 115 reviews, are great reviews. I dare you to go and check them out and see how a lot of our tools have helped a lot of people. So today's tool is a travel reimbursement calculator, and it's all built in Excel like all of our tools, and I'll kind of show you how it works. For a lot of reasons, a lot of our clients need to generate a travel reimbursement schedule, and this tool allows you to do exactly that. First of all, let me go through the settings. You'll need a Google Maps API key. You're welcome to follow the instructions in this video, and it'll kind of show you how to set it up. It's extremely easy to set up. It takes a little bit less than 4 or 5 minutes. We can have a per mile reimbursement. In this case, we want to reimburse $1.15. You have the option here to put a non-reimbursable distance. So for example, if for the first 3 miles I don't want to reimburse, I just want to reimburse everything driven after the 3 miles. We can choose to avoid toll roads, yes or no, and also we can choose between miles and kilometers for our non-US friends. Once we do that, we've got a trip date, trip purpose. These are not required fields. We do require that we have the address, the to and from, and that will allow us to calculate the driving distance, the driving miles or kilometers between those two addresses. Once we do that, all I got to do is click on the calculate button, and the tool automatically generate our distance, our reimbursable distance. In this case, the first 3 miles will not be reimbursed, so we'll get reimbursed for 21.75 miles, and then this is the reimbursement amount based on that per mile. And really, it should be as easy as that. You can download the tool from the link in the description, and let me know. My phone number and my email is there as well. If you need to talk to me, ask any questions, there should be a chat window there, and yes, I do answer that. It's not a bot, and if I can help you, I'd be more than happy to even jump in a phone call or a Zoom call to screen share and answer any questions there for you. All that information is on the website. Thank you very much for watching this. Hopefully I can help you with this tool or other tools. Thanks for watching this. Until next time.